Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Grade 4. My dear students, welcome back again. It's your teacher. Today we are going to study lesson number 5, measure angles. Measure angles. Okay. To measure angles, we need a tool to measure these angles. Okay. What tool we can use it to measure angle? Is it what? The protractor. The protractor is a tool. Protractor is a tool used to measure angles. Protractor is a tool used to measure angles. Okay, this is protractor, like this. As we see here, this is called protractor, and this is angle. Okay, as we know, the angle has two sides or two rays with the same end point called vertex. This end point called what? Called vertex. The vertex of the angle. And here, any protractor has at the middle here a point called center. Center of protractor. Okay? Okay, again, we use protractor, this protractor, to measure what? To measure angle. And the angle has two rays called the size of the angle and one end point called its vertex. So what? Vertex. So to measure the angle, we use a protractor as we see here. Here I have many angles and I have this protractor. Okay, here at the middle center of protractor, it has two readings from 0 to 180 in both directions, from right to the left and from left to the right. Okay, how to measure the angle? Okay, at the beginning, place the protractor on the angle. Anywhere? No. The protractor has a center and the angle has a vertex. Okay, place the center of a protractor on the vertex of on the angle. On the vertex of the angle, as we see here. Okay. And then the zero, the line of zero, put in the one of the side of the angle. One of the sides of the angle, as we see. And then we count from zero, from this side, place it with protractor, count from zero to reach the other side. As you see, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, or 10, 20, 30, 40. So the measure of this angle would be 40. Okay, so the measure of this angle would be 40. Okay, okay. What if the angle, okay, with the other direction, open it from the other side like this one? It's okay, no problem. I can measure it, no problem. Place your protractor, the center of the protractor, on the vertex of what? Of the angle. And then count from 0 on the left, the other direction. Count from 0 to reach the other one. Okay, as you see, let me fix it well. Okay, and then now I can count. See, here I can count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, between 60 and 70. At which number? Between each two readings, I have small readings, small dashes called, for example, here 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this one means 5. So if it's lying between 60 and 70 at this one called 65. Okay, so the measure of this angle it will be 65. Okay, so right here the measure of the angle will be 65. Here I'll make arc like this, and then I'll write here the angle is measured 65 degree. Okay, you know degree is a unit of measuring angle. Okay, okay, and also this angle we measured before. It was what? 40 degree, as you see. Count from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So the measure of this angle will be 40 degree. Be what? 40 degree. So I'll write here 40. And this symbol means degree. Okay, okay. And then I have this one, and this, and this. Okay, here I have this angle I want measured by using my protractor, and then place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle like this, and then count from 0. Count from what? From 0. As we see here, count from 0 from this side to reach the other side. Just start from 0, then follow the numbers. Okay, okay, continue until you reach the other side at what? 130. So the measure of this angle will be 130. Okay, okay. So I'll write here, the measure is 130 degrees. The measure of this angle is 130 degrees. Okay, 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 please. Next one. Here I have this angle. I want to measure it. Okay, by using my protractor, place it the center of the protractor on the center of on the vertex of the angle, and then you have to count from 0 here on the right. Okay, from this side to reach the other side. Okay, 10, 20, 30, and then continue until you reach the other one. Here, not exactly at what, 120. This would be after 120, count 121, 122. So the measure of this angle, it will be 122. Okay? One hundred 22. degree, as we see. The last one here, I have it. I have this angle. I want to measure it. Here I have this angle. I will place the protractor, its center on the vertex of the angle, and place 0 on one of its sides, and then count from 0 from the side to the other side. As we see, it will be at what? Yes, 90. So the measure of this angle, it would be 90 degrees. We have 90 degrees. It's called right angle. Yes? Okay. Right angle with 90-degree measure. Okay, it has square corner. Square corner. Like this. Okay, so the measure of this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, okay. What if I have this one? Remember, this one was 40. If this angle like this, it's rotated like this. I can measure it. Yes, remember it was 40. Yes, I can. Just place the protractor at the center with the vertex, center of the protractor, on the center on the vertex of the angle, and then rotate the protractor to be as we see, trying to fix it well, as we see like this. Remember it was 40, so now I place and I rotate the protractor to be the same direction with the angle. Okay, vertex with the center of the protractor and 0 on the one of the sides of the angle. So I will count from 0 from the side to reach the other side. See, now I have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So it will be the same 40 as it was before. Okay, okay. Now let's go for this video from Macro Health. Okay.
Hello, I'm Mr. Adams. We're going to measure angles. Use a protractor to find the measure of the angle. All right, so we have our angle here and our protractor. We're going to move the protractor up so the vertex of the angle matches up with the center of the protractor like so. And we have, this would be the 0 degree right here. And where the angle, the line meets the 0, that is where we begin to read the protractor. So I'll go up, and it's going to be between 30 and 40. It's right on the line, so it's going to be 35 degrees. So our angle measures 35 degrees.
Okay, here in your book, page number 900, I will show you the answers, and you can use your protractor to measure it by using your protractor and check the answer. Okay, here number 1, the measure is 100. Number 2, it's measure 75, as you see. And number 3, the answer is 45. Okay, just please write it in your book, and then you can check your answer by using your protractor. Okay, okay. Also, same next page, 901. This is 900. Number 1, 2, and 3. This is answer. Okay, next one, or next page, I'm showing you the answer for next page from number 4 to number 11. As you see, you can stop the video and write it in your book, and then check by yourself by using your protractor as we learned it now. Okay, just place the protractor, the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle, and then count from 0 okay, from the side to the other side to know what the measure of the angle. Okay. Remember that I have a number 7 and the number 8. Number 7 is the right angle. No need to measure it. Just when you see it, right, it's measured. Any angle with square corner called right angle, and it has only one measure or fixed measure is called 90 degrees. And also straight angle with measure 180. No need to measure it by using a protractor. But if you measure it, it will be here 90 and here it will be 180. But if you have it, no need to use protractor. Just write the answer there. With a square corner, it will be right angle with measure 90. With with straight angle like this, it will be 180 degrees. Okay. Okay. Also on page 903, homework page from 1 to 4. Okay, you have the answers already here. You can write it, stop the video and write it. Okay, and check by using your protractor to see if you are right or not. Okay, here, okay, 63, 155, 113, 25, as you see. And the next page, last one's coming in the, what I call, yeah, coming in SBS electronic homework number 11, exactly coming in the e-homework. Okay, okay. Okay, already we finished our session. Okay, I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, please contact me. Okay, see you soon and goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye.